I guess I've always wanted to learn how to draw. It's so frustrating having this image in my mind, and I want to express that on paper, but I just can't. It starts up here in my brain, it travels down through my arm, into my hand, into my pencil, and then it fizzles. It never looks quite right. I started posting videos documenting my art progress 1 year and 7 months ago. When I started learning how to draw back then, I had no particular affinity for art, but I always dreamt of being able to draw and being able to put what's in my mind down on the paper. I realized that the things that I'm good at are the things I've spent many hours practicing and cultivating. I've realized that for most people in most things, hard work can overcome something as small as not having natural talent. In fact, many of the people who I thought were just naturally gifted were only so good because they practiced so much. If we go back far enough, most of us start at the exact same skill level. The only difference is that they didn't give up. They kept going and put hundreds and thousands of hours into practicing. I realized that I can choose my own destiny and choose to learn. I started this channel because I was looking for something like this to inspire myself. It's hard to take advice from someone who's so skilled you feel like you can never reach that. It's also hard for many people to teach when they're so skilled because I would be following these tutorials and videos, and something that was so obvious to them, I had no idea, and they wouldn't know that I didn't know it. So I started sharing my successes, failures, and my honest journey. The thing that brings me the most joy now is seeing my videos become what I always dreamt they could be. A place where people give advice, learn, and encourage each other. I am shocked and amazed at how many people have commented telling me that my videos have inspired and given them energy. I've met so many wonderful people and built an encouraging and honest community that believes in the power of hard work and practice. I also want to make my own resources for learning to draw, the kinds of things that I want to use, such as a website that has reference photos, and also other artists' interpretation of that photo that I and other artists can learn from. So far, I just haven't had time to finish coding the back end, but I'm working hard and gathering the reference images that I want to see. I'll be graduating college in less than a month from now, and with this grant, I'll be able to dedicate all my time to learning, sharing that journey, and creating the resources that I want to see in the world. Thank you to all my friends that I've met through this channel. You all inspired me to keep practicing every day. Thank you, Jack, for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you to all the judges for your time.